Hi again, this is Noel, and I'm continuing the movie. Now we're in the Calvin cycle. It's the dark reaction of photosynthesis. So, first stage carbon fixation. The carbon dioxide fixation, an enzyme adds the molecules of carbon dioxide to the 5 carbon compound. This process occurs 3 times to yield 3 6 carbon molecules. Step 2. Transferring energy. 6 Each 6 carbon compound splits into 3 carbon compounds. Phosphate group from ATP are electrons from NADPH are added to the 3 compounds to form higher energy 3 compound sugar. Then making the sugar. One of the resulting 3 compound sugar leaves the cycle and is used to make organic compounds, including glucose, starch, and others, in which energy is stored for later use by the organism. Now, step 4, recycling. The remaining 5 carbon sugars are rearranged using energy from ATP enzymes. We form 3 molecules of the initial 5 carbon compound. This process completes the cycle and reformed compounds are used to begin the cycle again. Thank you.